So it's time for another BoxyCharm unboxing. I've already opened my box and used some of the products. I used them to create this look that you see here. And I feel like this is similar to another look I've created, but I'm still loving it. So stay tuned to the end if you want to see how I created this look. And we're going to get right into it. This is February BoxyCharm. So the theme is love, hearts, Valentine's Day, but also Black History Month because we got a Black beauty brand Ace Beaute Nostalgia palette. Look at the shades in this palette. It's a mix of shimmers and mattes, very pigmented. I didn't use my finger to achieve these sparkles. So for people, I mean, imagine if I did. It probably would have been more intense. But for people who don't like using their finger, you don't have to with this palette. It says the Nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun. The Nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. The colors are bright yet warm at the same time. I don't know how to describe it, but the names of the colors like beach, popsicle, stargazing, theme park, water slide, fun, camping, picnic, vacation, flip-flops, carnival, hiking. It's like they're, you know, definitely trying to touch on some moments in life that would be nostalgic. So love that this was in the box. It retails for $38.99. The next item I got is a Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. And I have not tried this yet, but it's definitely something that I am looking forward to. Anything that helps with the pores, I need. Has got pores, get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. So I think it said to use this like 2 to 3 times per week, and that retails for $32. The next thing I got was kind of odd. I'm gonna have to say it's kind of odd. It's the Trusty Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. It's an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. And they say that with an exclamation mark, like they're so happy about it. I'm on the fence about this, you guys, because look, this is the curler. You flip it down to curl, but like I couldn't fit all my lashes in there. Like, what are you supposed to do? Like, try to curl sections of your lashes at a time? Like, it just seems like an odd contraption to me. And then you twist off that cap and get the mascara. I didn't have a problem with the mascara. It's on my lashes right now. You'll see me try it on, and you'll see me try to curl my lashes. If I decide to put that footage in, I don't know, because yeah, it was just so odd and awkward and I wasn't feeling it. The pencil was nice, creamy, pigmented. It seems like it is waterproof. It says line, sharpen, and smudge eye pencil. Santorini black sand. It doesn't say whether it's waterproof, but it kind of seems like it might be. It says the eye pencil formulated for sensitive eyes features a luxurious versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision. Suggested retail price $44. Okay, the next thing I got was a set of Glamier, I think is how you pronounce it, Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. And I did use the brushes to apply my whoa. Uh-oh, can you pick that up for mommy? Thank you. I did use the brushes to apply some of my shadows. We got a blending brush, like a flat shader, an angled brush, and like a little smaller, not quite a smudger. It's like weird. It's like not quite a smudger, but not quite a precision. I don't know, a pencil brush. I guess it's a pencil brush, but it's, I don't know. I did use it. I used all four. I didn't use only these. I used some of my others as well, but I did try them out. They're not bad. I mean, and they're cute. They got the floating hearts inside, so I don't think I would buy these, but I'm not mad that they were in my box. They retail for $29.95. It's a new launch. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. So yeah, okay. The last thing I got was this Evian Beauty Pore Perfecting or Pore Fect Primer. It's the word pore and then dash fect primer. It's a moisturizing primer with a matte finish that will create a smooth base for foundation that helps last all day. With everyday use, your skin will experience the benefits of great ingredients like green tea to soothe the skin and minimize the appearance of pores while reducing any redness. I did not use this yet, but I will be giving it a try. Suggested retail price $23, so I paid $25 for my box. I'm gonna total everything up and put the total down at the bottom so you can see that I definitely feel like I got my money's worth. If not for anything else, this palette was my favorite. I've been wanting to try Tula skincare, so I'm so glad I got this. I'm still not sure what they were thinking with this eyelash curler, but I'll take the mascara and the pen, and then yes, the brushes are what they are. So thank you for watching the video. If you've tried BoxyCharm, let me know what you got in your box. Are you loving it? Do you want to try BoxyCharm? I have a link in the description box if you want to sign up for BoxyCharm. I don't know, I might get a point or however they do their systems, I don't know. But if you want to check it out, feel free to do so. Stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look. Remember, you're never too young or too old to unleash your beauty and explore your style.